Hey, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with Python by Biradar. Today we are going to learn about sequence of instructions. Sequence of instruction is very important topic in programming. So let's learn. So before starting, one important thing is here. What is a program? Program is a sequence of instructions. So what did we say? That whenever we have to execute something in a computer, we have to give some instructions. Okay. So the sequence of instructions means step by step. So the sequence of instruction is the program. So a program is a sequence of instructions to a computer. Okay. So here we are going to see with some examples. Okay, so defining a variable. So what is the code here? Age is equal to 12 and print of age. So age is equal to 12. We have seen it before it, right? What is age? Age is an variable. Is equal to is an assignment operator. 12. 12 is an integer. So age is a variable in which 12 integer value is assigned. Okay, age is 12 is the integer value which is assigned to a age variable. So print age. So what we will print here? The value we have stored inside the variable that should be get printed. So print age. Age is nothing but 12. So 12 should be printed here. So what is this? What is this here? When you assign a value to a variable for the first time, variable gets created. Till now we have not written any code, right? So first what we have taken here, age is equal to 12. Age is nothing but a variable. So variable, whenever we assign a value to a variable for the first time, that time variable gets created, right? So here we have seen, see, here it is the box, right? Here it is the box. Here age is equal to 12. This age is created with a value 12, right? So next, what is this here? Age is equal to 12. Print age in double quotes. So we have seen it before, right? In which topic? String. What is string? String is nothing but stream of characters which is enclosed within the double quotes. So age is equal to 12. Print age within the double quotes. So uh, the output should be age. Here we are going to see with some more examples. Okay, so in first what we have written, print of age. Second, what we have written, age is equal to 12. So what will be the output will be the error. Yes, error, name error. So name age is not defined. Why name age is not defined? Because Python executes the code line by line. So here variable age is not created by the time we try to print. So what will print to do here? Print age. Print will search for the age variable. So there is no age is defined, right? So it will get a name error. Name age is not defined. So Python executes the code line by line. So this is the wrong order of instructions. Instead of print age is equal to 12, we should write age. First we should declare the variable age is equal to 12. Then we should print the age. Then we will get the output 12. So next here we are going to see about spacing. Okay, spacing in Python. Age is equal to 12. Print of age. So uh, before print we have here some space, right? So what is the output? Output is indentation error, unexpected indent. Having spaces at the beginning of the line causes errors. Okay, so we should avoid errors. So we should not give any spaces at the beginning of the code. Okay, we will see more about indentation in coming topics. So here we are going to see how values in a variables can be changed. Okay, here what is the here first line, a is equal to 2. So print a. So what is a? A is 2. So print a. What we should print? A is equal to 2. Here the output. If we have taken next a is equal to 3, then print a. Then what should be print here? 3. 2 and 3. Okay. The same thing we have written here. Say a is equal to 2. and I have taken out this print statement from this. Okay, then a is equal to 3, then print a. What should be the output? Output should be 3 because a is equal to 2, right? We have assigned 2 value in the a variable first. Okay, second, what we have did, we have assigned 3 variable in 3 value in a variable. So instead, in the place of 2, what we have assigned 3. So instead of 2, what we have in a is 3. So what we should print a is equal to 3. So till now it's clear na, right? So let's go. Here we are going to learn about expressions in Python. Expression is nothing but a valid combination of value, variables and operators. Okay, values are nothing but you know, right? Variables you also know, operators you know. Okay, so what is here? A is equal to 2 plus 3. A is an variable, 2 and 3 are values, plus is equal to is nothing but operators. So expression is a valid combination of value, variables, operators. Okay. So first, what we have written in first, a is equal to 2 plus 3, and in second, what we have written, b is equal to 3 plus 5. So in third, what we have written, c is equal to 2 plus 7. So print a. So this print statement will search for a. So what is a? A is 2 plus 3. So 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5. It should print 5. So print b. Then this print b search for b. It will go to b, and what is here? 3 plus 5. And so 3 plus 5 is nothing but 8. So it will print 8. So print c. This will also search for c. What is c? C is 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is nothing but 9. So print c is nothing but 9. 5 and 8 and 9. These are the outputs. So till now it's clear, right? So here what we are going to see, how to solve the equations. Okay. For example, I have taken here one equation. A is equal to 6 into 4. So here into is nothing but star. In Python, we have taken a star symbol as a multiplication operator. Okay. 6 into 4 plus 3 into 2. So we don't know the exact how to solve this equation. Okay, so let's check in cases. Okay, first case, what we have done, 6 into 4. 6 into 4 is nothing but 24. 6 4 is 24. 24 plus 3. 24 plus 3 is nothing but 27. 27 into 2 is nothing but 54. So case 1 answer should be 54. Okay, so next, case 2, what I have done here. Okay, 6 4 is sorry, what I have done here, I have added first here 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is nothing but 7. So 6 into 7. 6 7 the 42. 42 into 2, 84. Case 2 is 84. Case 3. Then case 3. 6 4 is 24. 24. Then 3 2 is 6 4 is 24. 3 2 is 6. 24 plus 6 is nothing but 30. Case 4 is 30. So here 2 3 ja 6. 6 plus 4 is nothing but 10. 10 into 6 is nothing but 60. Case 3. But I don't know how to solve these equations. Okay. So simply we don't know what is the exact answer. Okay. We have tried many cases, but we don't know the what is the exact answer. So what we have to do, simply we should use board mass. Okay, board mass. We can solve this equation using board mass. Board mass. B is nothing but bracket, O order, D division, M multiplication, A addition, S subtraction. Okay, S subtraction. So we should do we should follow this sequence. Okay, board mass, bracket order, then division, then multiplication, then after addition, then after subtraction. So for example, first example here, a is equal to bracket 6 divided by 2 plus 1 bracket and then bracket close. So we have to follow board mass, right? So board mass, we have to follow this sequence. So B is nothing but a first what we have here, bracket. So here we have a brackets, right? So first we should go for this one. Okay, division. Under the division we have 2 plus 1. Okay, so what is 2 plus 1? 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. Here see, 6 divided by 2 plus 1. So 6 divided by 2 plus 1, what is 2 plus 1? 3. Then what we have here, order. We don't have here order, right? Then what we have, division. We have division here, yes, 6 by 3. 6 divided by 3 is nothing but 3.0. It should be the output. So next what we have taken here, a is equal to bracket 12 divided by 2 plus 1. So what is this here? 12 divided by 2 plus 1. So here we don't have any bracket, right? Correct. So what we have to take here, board mass, na? Correct. We have to follow board mass. B, bracket, there is no bracket. Order, no, there is no bracket, no order. So next division, we have a division, okay. 12 divided by 2. What is 12 divided by 2? 12 divided by 2 is 6.0 plus 1. Then next we have multiplication. We have multiplication here? No, we don't have any multiplication. Then we have addition. We have to follow the addition. If we have addition, we have to do addition. If we have subtraction, we have to do subtraction. Here we have addition. 6.0 plus 1 is nothing but 7.0. The same we will see in the practice. So here we are going to see with some more examples. Okay. Here what is here? A is equal to 2. So A is equal to 2. Here 2. In A variable, the 2 value is assigned. Okay. This is created. And B is equal to 3. B is equal to 3. In B value, 3 is created. And A is equal to B. So A is equal to B. So in A is equal to B, right? So in A, what should be the A value? B value it should be. Okay, A is equal to B, right? So A is equal to, what is the B value? 3. So here what we'll get? A value should be 3. So what we should print here? Print A, print B. So what we should get the output here? Print A. What should be? It should be 3. Why it should be 3? A is equal to 2 is done. Okay. In place of 2, 3 is assigned. So print A is nothing but 3 and print B is 3. So A is equal to, next, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, A is equal to A plus B. Okay. So A is equal to 2 is assigned in first box. Okay. Second box, B is equal to 3 is assigned here. Okay. Then third, A is equal to A plus B. Then here, what should, A is 2, right? A is 2 is here done. Okay. Then in place of A, what will we do? A plus B. So A is nothing but 2 plus 3 is nothing but, B is nothing but 3. 2 plus 3 is nothing but 5. So A is equal to 5. Now now A value is 5. So what we should print here? Print A. Print A is equal to 5. Print B is equal to 3. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do like, comment and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and videos like this. Bye. Take care.